Yeah. Which is why I told you couldn't make him up.
Calm down, Chief.
Because I knew he wouldn't stay asleep terribly long.
Say what's up.
Okay.
Oh, she's naked too. Why we got naked babies running around?
So the people was
I
having.
don't know why they're naked.
In one blanket. Are you warm? They're 24 hours, aren't they?
Yeah.
Oh, that wasn't bad.
You have corn?
What up, Sammy?
In your pocket?
Sam.
It's in my locker. I can go get it inside. Or you can go get it out.
How's it going down?
I have one in my bag. I just have to go get it out.
I see that's where mine is in my bag.
Well, she wanted some footprints.
No, they were born Monday.
Monday?
No.
Yesterday.
What you say?
Oh, you little turd.
You like what's up already, huh? What's happening?
Little turd.
A mess again.
Yeah, he sure did.
He did a lot of that last night.
Dude.
Bless you. Bless you.
I can't believe you.
Oh, I can.
What's going on? What you looking for? I know you don't want to play already. You too young to want to play.
That one's done. I think this is done now.
Yeah.
So that can go back in the chart.
That was even like a little key.
We're talking a whole lot?
Nice to meet you.
Don't hold any diaper. What? You think you could not do that this time? And you're puking.
What the? Oh, he does that well.
I should have said no way, Jill. I'm not touching that kid. He's got it coming out of every
You can look at the miles again. Let me see. Where you at?
Aw.
Hey there.
Good.
Yeah, what up, little homie? What you looking for?
He
Oh,
says
you want that
food.
pacifier, huh? You hungry? You think your mama wants to feed you?
I'm going to check with my nurse practitioner real quick, and then we may send him out.
I think mommy wants to feed you.
This is his immunization record, Dad, and the consent for the Hep B. So take it with him when he goes to see the pediatrician. It'll be in the crib, as well as diapers and baby wipes and all that good stuff.
Appreciate it. Yeah, she want to feed you. Sure.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
I am angry with you, sweetheart.
You must be hungry.
Okay, well, let's put your Bowstock scrub back on and see. Yeah, we're going to have to put it back on and see what you're going to do. Okay?
You peed, you puked, you pooped.
She messing with your foot, little homie? It's alright. You all good.
Oh, of course. You're gonna have to look at your sister so I can fix your bed. And then I'll be okay.